I found these at the bottom of one of the boxes that has the pics in them. Look how gorgeous these are.
Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous, penny pincher.
Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Chelomie, and today we are going to organize all of these beautiful ornaments and picks and sprays that I picked up from the Christmas warehouse sale. So if you want to see how I get my organization done, you know exactly what to do, guys. Just keep on watching. So this, guys, is our side enclosed patio. This is really a space for my hubby, but I have taken it over with all these boxes and all this Christmas decor. I done pushed his chairs to the side, unplugged his TV, the whole 9 yards. But I told him, I said I want to use it temporarily to kind of like, you know, do some displays and work out here a little bit. So he's okay with me doing so. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sorting some of the items and, you know, doing some organizing. I'm gonna move everything out of here and kind of sweep the place and whatever else I need to get it clean. And then I'm going to start getting the bins together. Okay guys, so I was able to kind of clean up and get a lot of the dust and everything out of here. I have this really big bin and I'm thinking for this bin, as much as I would like for all of them to be the size to put all my ornaments and stuff, I think I'm going to use this one to put all the ribbons in. This is the one I picked up from Goodwill the day that I got the ribbons. As you can see, the Goodwill ribbons are in here, so I'm going to just pack all of the other ribbons in here in this bin, and that will be it for all the ribbons. They would have a home, and then I'm gonna start to pack the ornaments in different bins. All right guys, so this is what the big tote looks like. Like, this tote is so much bigger than it's showing on camera. And I managed to get pretty much all of them in there. I think I may have like 4 or 5 rolls that couldn't go in, but I'll put them in a drawer somewhere. But I tried to put them in order of color, like the reds and the pinks and stuff are here, some of the blacks and the golds and other colors on this side, as much as I possibly could, right? I know that as soon as I start using from the box, everything is gonna get mixed up again. But this is what the box looks like. I'm just gonna close it up and start working on the ornaments. Okay guys, so these are the totes that I got from Home Depot this morning. They are 27-gallon totes. Pretty big, 27-gallon for, they were on sale for $7.98 with the yellow lid. So I'm gonna leave a link below if you're interested in these 27-gallon storage bin. You can go to Home Depot and pick some up for yourself. I'm going to start packing the gold ornaments in these. I really wish they were see-through. That way I could just, you know, see what's in what when I pack it up. But I'm just gonna have to label it. But I'm gonna start with the gold, and I picked them up because they were only $7.98, and they're usually a lot more expensive than this. And I'm like, what the heck, black or white? Let me get my stuff in it and then I'll just label it. Okay guys, so it's a whole different day and I am still at it. I went and got me some more bins, and so I'm going to tackle the picks and sprays over here and put them in some bins. I got me more of the black and gold bins, and I have a couple of these that I had in the garage with some items in it. I like these ones for the picks and sprays because I can kind of see what's in them at first glance. As far as my other bins are concerned, the black and yellow ones, I have pretty much written the names, labeled them with a marker as to what is in what bin. So I will show that to you, but I want to get started on the picks. All right, so these are the bins that I have so far, guys. This is 3, 6, 9, 11 of these black and yellow bins. I have 2 of these ones up here, a couple of these gray ones, and then I have 2 of the flat ones that I just showed you. So let me go ahead and start packing them out. Alright guys, so what I have done is I have laid out all of the gold picks and stuff on the floor, with the exception of these ones. These ones are green, but they were in the same box. But I have different piles of the gold picks. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack all of these. Hopefully they can all hold in one bin. If not, they're going to be going in 2 bins. Okay guys, now I am doing the reds. I have sorted all of the different red ones, and this is what they all look like. So I'm about to put these in a bin and then move on to the next color. I think I have 3 more colors left, or 4. I have greens, blue, bronze, and purple. And I do believe I have 4 bins that I can put those in. Guys, while sorting, I found these at the bottom of one of the boxes that has the picks in them. Look how gorgeous these are. I think I may have about 6 or so of these. They are very, very pretty. And then I found these picks that I absolutely love. Take a look at that. They're like little encrusted berries. Super, super cute. So I am finding things as I am packing and organizing. So whatever I find, or if I find anything else that you didn't get to see in the haul, I'll be showing it to you right here. But these are super, super gorgeous, and I had forgotten all about them until now. Okay guys, so this is all the purple picks that I have, and I have a few of this kind as well. So I have this with a bunch of these, and then these are the bronze that I have. This is all the bronze that I have. So what I'm going to do, instead of putting them in separate bins, I'm going to add them to their ornaments. So the bronze picks I will add to this because there's still room there, and I'm going to do the same for the purple box. Let's take a look here in this purple box. I already had put some in there from when I did the ornaments, so I'm just going to add the remaining purple picks here, and I will just label. I already have purple ornaments on here, so I'll just add and picks here so that I know exactly what's inside the bins, because I do not have enough bins to do them separately, and there's really not a lot, so I'm just going to combine them. Alright, so the blue bin is all done and ready to go. I did find these aqua picks that I've just combined with them, but all of the blue picks are in here. And then I found another ornament, like a really big one, so it's going in this box as well because I have the space to do so. Alright guys, I now have everything in order and sorted. So now I'm gonna clean this place up, and that way I can have my beautiful space back. Okay guys, everything is done and in their right and proper place, and this is what the space now looks like. The nutcracker is here. I have tried to organize the chairs best as I can, given the bins are in here. This plant right here, that's going to Goodwill tomorrow or so, so that will be moved from the space. And I do have some additional, like the wreaths and extra bows and stuff are right here. This tree, I'm going to rehab this tree. This is our little table with our plant and the TV remote and stuff in there. But yeah, this is what the space looks like. This wall right here, I'm gonna use it kind of like as a backdrop. I'm gonna be doing some